Have you ever bought any software or course with commercial, PLR, or agency rights and never did anything with them? Then it's time to put them to work for you. Start profiting today from them, even earning a recurring income. And to launch them, you will need, get this, 0 technical skills. That's right. Hi there, Dr. Amit Parikh and his partner engineer Atul Kumar have sold over 9 million in digital products and have a combined 19 plus years of online business experience. This is not to brag, but to make it clear that they know how to sell online to tons of hungry buyers. Did you know that selling online is a huge $25 trillion industry? Trillion! And according to NASDAQ, by the year of 2025, 95% of all purchases will be online. And when you tap into its immense power, the results can be true freedom and explosive profits simultaneously. But the lack of the right set of tools and knowledge is the reason why most businesses fail to start even after having a great vision and a great product. Yes, sadly, that is true. There are 3 options to start selling online. Option 1, you do it yourself. And for this, you need to learn the basics of domain, hosting, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Photoshop, and integrate a payment gateway. This is a time-consuming process that could take weeks or even months. And the worst part is you won't be earning during all this time. Option 2 is hire professionals to help you get a quick start. But reasonably skilled freelance web developers can cost you somewhere between $1,500 to $2,000 bare minimum per project, and this may leave you with an empty pocket. Option 3 is to buy multiple apps and plugins for hundreds of dollars monthly. You need to buy multiple apps with monthly fees to get all the features that you need. So $49 here, $99 there, $79 somewhere else. That potentially adds up to a couple of $100 per month at least, with a big headache of managing multiple dashboards but no guarantee of satisfactory results. Ultimately, you will wind up throwing money down the drain. Well, not anymore. After years of learning, planning, coding, debugging, and 8 months of testing with thousands of real users, we are pleased to announce that we've created the absolute solution, and we'd like to share it with you today, proudly presenting Sellero. Now launch and profit with your digital downloads, your courses and services, or any purchased agency, private label rights, resale rights products in just 7 minutes flat. Boom, just like that. Let's take a close look at how this actually works, how it can skyrocket your results, and help your business to overcome those challenges right now. Selling products and services online is always an expensive and time-consuming task, but with Sellero, it's super easy, fast, and affordable. Replace multiple old school and money-sucking platforms with this cutting-edge technology that helps you launch your profitable business in just 7 minutes flat using 3 simple steps. First step is to add your product. Unlock the potential and start selling your purchased products, your own creations, or choose from more than 20 done-for-you products to start your online business. The second is to integrate the payment gateway. You integrate your PayPal or your Stripe account to receive payments from your clients directly into your account. There will never be a commission or fee taken by Sellero for your products sold. Number 3, start getting orders. Get your smart checkout link to share with your prospects on your website, your social media, and right from your emails like a pro. No installation, no coding or other techie stuff, and everything works from one dashboard. Simple, easy, fast, and reliable. With Sellero, you could do so much more. First, this is a proprietary all-in-one technology that lets you start quickly, sell more, and grow faster online, all without a single hitch. Sellero gives you the power to sell any product that you have purchased and have rights to, fast and easy, by creating beautiful websites and stores for your business. You can also create a beautiful membership site to deliver your courses or digital downloads securely. You have the power to sell unlimited products, digital products, physical goods, courses and services, all from a single platform. And if you don't have your own products to sell, we've got you covered with over 20 high-quality, done-for-you products already with resale rights to start selling immediately. Make the best use of our smart checkout links to directly receive payments from social media, email, and on any page or website. Create unlimited fast-loading landing pages for any niche and goal in just a few minutes. Get a next-generation advanced drag-and-drop editor to create whatever you want and wherever you want without even a single pixel error. 400 plus done-for-you, proven converting, mobile responsive, and ready-to-go landing page templates. These templates are easy to use. Just load them up, click to edit, publish, and you're ready to start getting your best results ASAP. Along with that, you can accept payments through PayPal and Stripe. Remember, there are zero fees from Sellero. Now that's surely something that'll help to grow your business, and that's just a handful of the features. An entire host of other features are included with Sellero when you sign up today. So whatever your goal, we have a proven solution for you. Just get your hands on Sellero to sell and market your products, your services, and offers online, and it streamlines everything for you 24/7. And that makes Sellero a cut above the rest. It's fast and easy. It's an all-in-one platform. It's reliable and robust. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-the-art solution, and I am sure that you will love it. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our premium customer support. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. So I hope you are thrilled with the premium features that I just shared with you. As I already told you, this is a masterpiece. So what are you waiting for? Stop wasting your hard-earned money and time and get Sellero for a low one-time fee, but only during this 6-day launch period. After that, it's going back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. Now, that means you can use this for local clients to help them sell their services or products online and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. This will also give you a massive opportunity to make additional or full-time income each month. Go for this one-time investment fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. On behalf of Dr. Amit Parikh and engineer Atul Kumar, let me congratulate you on grabbing Sellero and proving you are a very, very smart seller. The Sellero team is waiting to assist you and welcomes you inside your exclusive members area.